Okay, so welcome back, lawn amateurs. Thanks for tuning in to another video today. This is Memorial Day, so I would like to personally give a special thanks to all the brave men and women that are protecting and serving this great country. Without you guys' bravery and heroic acts, we would not be able to do or accomplish a lot of the things that we're able to accomplish in this great country. So I would like to give you guys a special thanks, and just hopefully you guys, if y'all deployed, hope you guys make it home safely. I hope you guys are actually enjoying the day with family and friends, and just I truly appreciate you guys. So this day is for you guys, and we salute you guys, all the bravery that you guys express and show in this great world. All right, so you guys check it out. I have my first first official Milorganite feeding. This will be actually my second feeding of the Milorganite. I actually did my first feeding of Milorganite when I did the Jumpstart Your Lawn video. That was in late March. I did that one. I applied Milorganite along with applying the starter fertilizer. So according to Milorganite Schedule, this should be my first application of Milorganite. Let's take a look at the back, because I'm actually in the northern states. So Memorial Day is my first feeding, followed by 4th of July for my second, Labor Day for my third, and to top the year off, Thanksgiving dormant feeding. That will be my fourth and final feeding, Milorganite. Excuse me. If you guys are in the southern states, this will actually be your second feeding of Milorganite, official feeding according to Milorganite Schedule. Your first feeding would have came on Easter, and then you follow by Labor Day and early October. They want you guys in the southern states to for your final feeding in early October. So I like to keep Milorganite on hand, because not only for the iron, because it has 2.5% iron in it, helps your grass stay that nice rich like dark green color, but it's also the 640 4% phosphate. That's gonna help your grass develop stronger roots. And right now, that's what I want to do. I want to have my stronger root development. So when I hit them summer and them hot drought months, that my grass can actually tolerate it. So there's no phosphorus in Milorganite. If you're new to using Milorganite, there's 0 phosphorus. So you're only going to get 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, and basically that's all you really need. Personally, if you're using Milorganite, it's not a standalone kind of fertilizer, so you would need to use another type of fertilizer that has the phosphorus in it. Okay, so Milorganite is not a standalone fertilizer because it only has 6% nitrogen, 4% phosphate, no phosphorus. So as you can see, earlier in the year, maybe about 2-3 weeks ago, I used a regular lawn food fertilizer. It was Fast Green by Expert Garden. That's the Walmart brand, and it gave me 27% nitrogen, 0 phosphate, and 5% phosphorus. So Milorganite would definitely help complement what I didn't get on that lawn feeding with the 4% phosphate. So basically that's it. Let's take a look at the lawn. The lawn is actually doing very well. As you see, today is a beautiful day. It's sunny and it's very hot out. But you take a look at the lawn here. It's doing very well. It's a nice green already. So I know that other lawn fertilizer that I used is working. It's about maybe 3 weeks in, or 2 to 3 weeks in. Let's take a look at side number 1. It's looking very well. I already actually mowed it a couple days ago, so it's doing good. And I still am having trouble with those couple areas that are slowly growing in. I don't know what's going on, but it's taking its sweet time, so there's nothing I can do. But let's go ahead and throw down this Milorganite. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spread down the Milorganite now. I want to actually throw down 1 pound of nitrogen. So on this side, side number 2, I'm going to round it up to 400 square feet. So that means I'm going to throw down 7 pounds of Milorganite to give me 1 pound of nitrogen on side number 2. Side number 1, I'm going to throw down 8 pounds of Milorganite. I rounded that up to about 500 square feet. So that's my 2 sides together. It's under 1,000 square feet. So let's get this spreading. Alright, so it went a little bit over. It's not gonna hurt. Instead of 7 pounds, it was like 8 almost. It's not gonna actually hurt because there's Milorganite is a non-burning formula, so 8 pounds on this side. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it. Spread down both sides with Milorganite, 1 pound each. I went a little bit over on the actual Milorganite throwdown on this side, but it's not too bad because Milorganite, once again, like I said, it's a non-burning formula, so you can be a little heavy-handed on that one. Any other regular fertilizers, you want to kind of be exact because then you'll get like lawn burn or turf burn, like they like to call it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Memorial Day to all you guys. Once again, celebrate, but celebrate carefully. And that's about it. Take care.